For many homeowners in League City, comfort, energy savings, and home value are ongoing priorities. One upgrade that delivers benefits in all three areas is energy-efficient windows. With the Gulf Coast's hot, humid summers and occasional cold fronts, the right windows can make a dramatic difference in your home's performance. If you've been wondering whether energy-efficient windows are worth the investment, here's why so many League City residents are making the switch. Lower monthly energy bills. League City's climate puts heavy demand on air conditioning systems for much of the year. Older windows allow heat to seep into your home, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. Energy-efficient windows are designed with features like low-E coatings, argon or krypton gas fills, and multi-pane glass to block heat transfer. The result? Your AC doesn't have to work as hard, and you see the difference in your monthly utility bills. Many homeowners experience a noticeable drop in cooling costs right away. Over time, these savings help pay back the initial investment, making energy-efficient windows a smart, cost-effective upgrade. Improved indoor comfort. All year drafts, hot spots, and temperature swings are common with aging or poorly insulated windows. Energy-efficient windows help stabilize your home's indoor temperature by keeping heat out during summer and reducing heat loss during winter. This means cooler rooms during peak summer heat, less reliance on AC to stay comfortable, cozy indoor spaces on chilly winter mornings. With more stable indoor temperatures, your entire home feels more comfortable without adjusting your thermostat constantly. Better protection from UV rays. League City enjoys plenty of sunshine, but those bright rays can wreak havoc on your home's interior. UV rays are responsible for fading carpets, wood floors, furniture, drapes, and artwork. Modern energy-efficient windows use low-E coatings that block the majority of harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light to brighten your home. This added layer of protection helps preserve your interior finishes and extends the life of your belongings, another long-term way these windows save you money. Enhanced home value and curb appeal. If you're considering selling your home in the future, installing energy-efficient windows can be a strong selling point. Homebuyers appreciate upgrades that reduce energy consumption, improve comfort, and require little maintenance. New windows also refresh the appearance of your home. With modern frame styles, colors, and materials available, you can enhance your curb appeal while enjoying the performance benefits of energy-efficient designs. Reduced noise infiltration. League City's residential neighborhoods are lively, with nearby highways, construction, and community activity. Energy-efficient windows typically feature multiple panes and specialized insulation that help reduce outdoor noise. Whether you live near a busy street or simply want a quieter, more peaceful home environment, these windows can significantly soften unwanted sound. Eco-friendly and sustainable. Choosing energy-efficient windows isn't just good for your home, it's good for the environment. By reducing your energy consumption, you lower your home's carbon footprint. League City residents who prioritize sustainability will appreciate knowing this upgrade contributes to long-term environmental benefits. Some energy-efficient windows are also made with recyclable materials or sustainable manufacturing practices, making them even more eco-friendly. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Energy-efficient windows often come with advanced frame materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite that resist warping, rotting, and corrosion, important considerations in League City's humid coastal climate. These materials are designed to perform well for decades with minimal upkeep. You'll enjoy less maintenance, improved durability, a better return on investment over the lifespan of the window's. Final thoughts. For homeowners in League City, energy-efficient windows deliver immediate and long-lasting benefits: lower energy bills, enhanced comfort, UV protection, improved home value, and quieter living spaces. Whether you're upgrading an older home or planning a major renovation, installing energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest investments you can make.